In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate sound on Waze app. So grab your iPhone and let's set this up together like you're doing it right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Once it opens, give it a moment to fully load until you're on the main map screen and you can see your location clearly. Now look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This opens the main Waze menu where all the settings and options are located. From this menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you control how Waze behaves while you're driving, including sounds, alerts, and navigation voice. Once you're inside the settings screen, look for the option called Voice and Sound and tap on it. This section is very important because it controls whether Waze speaks directions or stays silent while you're navigating. A lot of the time, if Waze isn't talking, the issue is right here. Now that you're in the voice and sound menu, take a look at the sound options. You'll see different sound modes available. What you want to make sure is that the sound is not turned off. Set it to either on or alerts only. If it's set to off, Waze won't speak at all, even if everything else is working perfectly. If you choose on, Waze will give you full voice navigation, meaning it will talk you through every turn, exit, and direction as you drive. If you choose alerts only, Waze will still make sounds, but only for important alerts like hazards, police reports, or speed warnings. Either option will activate sound, so just pick the one that fits how much guidance you want while driving. As soon as you select one of these options, the change is applied immediately. There's no save button and no confirmation screen, so once it's selected, you're good to go. You can now tap back or close the menu to return to the main map screen. At this point, sound is already activated in Waze. To make sure everything is working, it's a good idea to test it. Tap on the search bar, enter a destination, choose a route, and tap Go Now. Once navigation starts, Waze should begin speaking directions out loud. If you don't hear anything right away, don't panic. First, check your iPhone's volume and make sure it's turned up. Try pressing the volume buttons on the side of your phone while Waze is actively navigating, because that adjusts the navigation volume specifically. Also make sure your phone isn't on silent mode, since that can affect app sounds. Another thing to keep in mind is Bluetooth. If your iPhone is connected to a car system, headphones, or another Bluetooth device, Waze audio may be playing through that instead of the phone speaker. In that case, check your car's volume or disconnect Bluetooth if you want the sound to come directly from the phone. Also remember that Waze only talks when navigation is actually running. If you're just looking at the map without starting a route, you won't hear any voice prompts, so always make sure you've tapped Go Now on a destination if you're trying to hear sound. If you ever feel like Waze stopped talking again in the future, you can always come back to this same menu and double check the sound setting. It only takes a few seconds, and it's usually the fastest fix. So just to go over it one more time in a smooth flow, you open Waze, tap the menu on the top left, go into settings, tap voice and sound, and make sure the sound is set to on or alerts only. And that's it. That's how you activate sound on the Waze app on your iPhone. Once this is turned on, Waze will guide you with voice directions again, making it much easier and safer to navigate without constantly looking at the screen.